Over the course of time, you may have to upgrade the software on your stepper. So what we're going to do is first remove this small door. I have a Phillips head screwdriver, and it should come right out. Okay, once we've removed this, I like to set it right here so the screw doesn't get lost. Alright, now what we're going to do is take this device. It's referred to as a FISP, or in some places as a dongle, and it uploads the software. It comes with this gray ribbon cable, and what I'm going to show you is that the ribbon cable can only be plugged in one direction. So if you look at this red line, you'll notice that when I plug it in, this red line is facing towards the bottom. Okay? I want to make sure and get it just right so you don't bend the pins. Now that I've plugged it in, I just have to power the machine up. So I'm going to move the pedals a little bit. We should see an orange light come on. This indicates that the software is uploading, and remember to never disconnect this while you're uploading the software. This could result in the console becoming unusable. So, as this uploads, the light should turn from orange to green. If it ever shows red, we want to go ahead and start from the beginning and redo the procedure. Our light just turned green, so we know the software has been updated. Now I'll go ahead and unplug this, and it's time to go to the other side where we're going to configure the console. After you update the software, you want to make sure and configure the console. As you hear the alternator working, that means that I'm pedaling to keep the power going to the screen. What we'll do is hit Quick Start so that you can see NTM config RQD, or required. That means we need to configure the console so that it knows which type of unit it's on, whether that's an elliptical, a bike, or in this case a stepper. So there's a couple of easy steps to follow. First, level up, then 8, and then enter. After you do that, if you do it rapidly enough, it will say configuration. The next step is to hit your level up, then enter. Now, notice how it says NTM config required again. This isn't an indication that it started over, simply just that you can press up or down to select the unit type from there. We're going to highlight stair climber and then hit enter. And that's all it takes to configure the console after you've updated the software with the FISP uploader.